Okay, let's not forget what we originally started out with our two scriptures about the signs, which would be Second Thessalonians. I can't remember the verse, but we talked about his coming shall be with the signs. And then let's not forget what we talked about in Revelation with the four angels being released from the river Euphrates that were being prepared for a specific year, a specific month, a specific day, and a specific hour. Now, I told you that those four angels, you remember, you can't see angels, okay? So to think that it's going to be four angels specifically that are going to be prepared, that are going to start killing people, that's not it. It ties up with what I told you about the false doctrine, about the control of knowledge, the four rivers of knowledge, the four winds of knowledge, the four avenues of change, which are going to be math and science on one side, and then we have religion and the arts on the other. And then if you watch my other video, you understand the division between the two hemispheres of the brain. And then we have a right hemisphere of the brain, and then we have a left hemisphere of the brain. And then you're going to begin, I'm not going to be able to form a conclusion here for you now, it's going to get off topic, but you're going to begin to see now the esoteric principle between the division of the two houses of Israel, which were together as one house originally, just like our minds were being used together originally before we suffered the division between a material house and a spiritual house, of which I've already explained in my videos. My friends, you have no idea the magnitude of the information that I'm trying to convey to you, and then I hope at the end I will be able to offer up an in total conclusion here for everything all connected as one whole. So why do we have Cancer up here in the wrong position? And why am I saying it's in the wrong position? Well, it's in the wrong position because the summer solstice is June 21st. And that's what this is being representative of, this arch here. We're dealing with the zodiac. So technically, we would have Gemini right before it, and then we would have Cancer. So that this line right here should be in the center. Cancer should be to the right of the center. Gemini should be to the left of the center, which would put this dividing line right here. And when you go and research these modern arches, you'll see the astronomers continually try to move Cancer over as if to say the Masons made a mistake. No, they didn't make a mistake. They were telling us something. They were telling us something that is connected to what we're talking about in a big way. So let's understand this. Cancer starts at June 21st and moves into July 22nd. Okay, so that is the month period that you're looking here, from the 21st of June to the 22nd of July. Now the summer solstice is the 21st of June. It's the highest point of the sun in the summer sky. That summer solstice should be directly here in the center, and it's not. The question is, why? All right, here's our answer. I want you to see right now just what the basis of the chart is. This is what's known as the declination, okay? The up and down is called the declination. Now it's the declination of the sun. This is the path of the sun, which is traveling the ingress of the ecliptic, okay? The ecliptic is that band of sky that is a straight line of which the constellations are measured from. It's how we get and understand the seasons. Okay, so this is the basis of the geometry. Now, you've probably seen this a lot associated in crop circles as of lately, and there's a big reason, because of everything I'm telling you now. So understand this, that from here to here to here, these are months of the zodiac. This position that we have right here is the summer solstice. It's the highest point of the sun in the summer sky. Just like you're seeing it, the sun's traveling real high, it comes down here, and then it goes to its lowest point. This is the winter solstice. The whole reason why people believe that that Masonic arch is in the wrong position with Cancer is because, just like we see here on this chart with the same Masonic arch, we see Gemini to the left, Cancer to the right. It should be, as they say, the dividing between the two, the ingress into Cancer. It's not. I'm going to tell you why.